Hello everyone! Today we are going to discuss some Linux commands. First, open the terminal in the Linux system. Then, type our first command, who, and press the Enter button on the keyboard. The result now shows the details of users who are logged into the system. That is the output the who command will give. Next, type man and hit Enter. The output shows an error what manual page we searched for. Let's correct the man syntax. Man command is used to view the manual of commands. So first, let's view the manual of man command. For that, type man, then hit Enter. The following window shows the manual of man command like descriptions, details, etc. To exit the manual, press Ctrl and Z together. Next, let's view manual for the ls command. For that, type man ls, then hit Enter. The following shows the manual of ls. Okay, now let's move to another directory. For that, type cd followed by the path to the directory. That is the syntax for navigation between directories. Here, I'm going to the directory named test. Okay, here we are. Now, let's create another directory for today's experiment. I'm going to call the directory terminal. For that, type mkdir terminal, then hit Enter. Now, the directory named terminal is created. Okay, I think you all understand that the command for creating directory is mkdir. Yeah, that's correct. The command for creating directory is mkdir. Okay, let's move inside the directory. Type cd terminal, then hit Enter. Now we are inside the terminal directory. Okay, now our next command is cat. The cat command is used to view the contents inside a file, or create a file with writing content inside it. For example, let's type cat new file text, hit Enter. The terminal shows a space to add content inside the file, then Ctrl Z together. Now the file is created. Let's check. Is it created? Type ls on the screen, hit Enter. Ls will show the files inside the terminal directory. Here we are. Our file is here. Okay, let's view the contents as placed inside the file. For that, type cat space file name, new file, text, then hit Enter. Okay, the contents on the file displayed. Okay, now let's create a copy of the file with same content. For that, type cat second file, text, new file, text. Okay, we are getting an error. Okay, let's correct it. In order to do it, add new file. Text first, then second file. Text, okay, type cat new file. Text, second file. Text, hit Enter. Okay, our command now worked. Let's see if created the file. Type ls and hit Enter. OK, two file names displayed. OK. Now view the contents inside. We can cat each file. OK, now to add additional content inside the file, we can use echo command. For that, type echo inside double quotes, enter hey and add, and the file name new file. Text, then hit Enter. OK, repeat the process to add second file text. Then cat each file to view the modifications. Now the next command is cp. Cp is used to copy or replace one file's contents to another file. For that, type cp new file.txt, second file.txt, and then hit Enter. The result will be the entire data is replaced with new file, text. To check cat each file names, let's look at the ls command. You guys know ls is used to list the files or folders inside the directory. For that, just type ls and hit enter. It will display all the files or folders inside the directory. Okay, our next command is chmod. The command is used to change permissions of files and folders. Here is an example of giving all permissions to a file. For that, type chmod-r777 file name new file.txt, then hit enter. Okay, let's check whether the permission changed or not. Type ls, then hit enter. OK. The file name color changed the permission applied to it. Okay, the next command is mkdir. It is used to create a folder. For that, type mkdir new folder, then hit enter. New folder is the name of the new directory. Type ls to display whether it worked or not. The next command is grep. It is used to display the occurrence of a word or character in a line. For that, type the shown command into your terminal, then hit enter. The next ones are the head and tail commands. Head will display lines from the beginning, and tail will display lines from the bottom. For example, type head 5-second file tet, then hit enter. It will show the first 5 lines from the file. Next, type tail 5-second file txt, then hit enter. It will output the last 5 lines from the file. Okay, that's all for this video. I will share the screenshot of the video in the description. I hope you all understood. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.